Hi everyone! Today, let's talk about the incredible journey of Neringa Kriziute, a talented artist, model, and social media influencer who has captivated audiences worldwide. Born and raised in Lithuania, Neringa began her creative journey studying architecture at Vilnius Gediminas Technical University. However, her passion for visual arts led her to pursue fine art at the Vilnius Academy of Arts, where she honed her skills and developed her unique artistic voice. Neringa's artwork is truly inspiring, exploring themes of femininity, identity, and human emotion with bold, expressive compositions. Her paintings have been showcased in galleries across Lithuania and internationally, earning her a place among contemporary art's rising stars. But Neringa didn't stop there. She also made waves as a model and social media influencer, using platforms like Instagram to share her artwork alongside stunning photo shoots. Her blend of creativity and authenticity has won her a diverse audience and made her a symbol of body positivity and empowerment. Before we wrap up, remember to like this video, hit that subscribe button for more amazing content, and give a big shout out to all the plus-size icons out there, redefining beauty and confidence. Let's celebrate art, individuality, and the power of being yourself. Thanks for watching.